Hey, yo, what up, players? So you guys can remember in the last video that I mentioned something about the engine. Like the last time you guys are going to see it is it's going to be in its final mounting spot. Well, guys, it's done and it is sitting tight and it is sitting right. Woo! Looks super good. When I have this door open, this door next to me, it looks super fresh with the color-coded intake tubes and this good-looking sump. And it sits pretty low to the ground. Again with my precision measuring instruments, so it like sits this far. I'm not too sure how far that is, but I mean it's close, but it's not like unusable close. And what's cool is that I did put the sun plug kind of in line with the wheels, so if we do have to go over a speed hump, I don't think we'll scrape. Well, I hope we don't. And then let's check out the gearbox. Again, sorry guys, the lighting is so bad, but there is that mount, and damn, it looks so good. I love it. You guys might have noticed that the theme of the channel, along with the swap, that's pretty cool. We do a lot of DIY stuff over here, and it's because we can, and it saves a lot of money. Sometimes you can't justify spending money on certain things, and I couldn't justify spending money on just buying these sort of things when I can make them with the steel that I had right here at home. Sometimes these wheels, these casters can be pretty expensive, but I managed to find the right ones at the right price. So guys, this is going to be the test. We're actually going to be able to see now if these can handle the weight of the V12 Miata with the engine in, and these taking the full weight of the engine and gearbox fully mounted. So there's just a couple of parts missing off the car. You know, things that aren't really too heavy, and these sort of things are not really, well, I never made them with the intention of having them on the car the whole time, but let's stop messing around and get these on and see what's up. I'm happy to say that this car is successfully on these jacks, even with this big engine in, on all four wheels. So now we're going to do a tester of rolling it. I want to check how easy this thing rolls. I did do a tester before where I moved this whole car to check how easily it moves, but we never did it with this engine in. So let's check it out. Okay, so let's check how easy this thing rolls. If it does very easily, I hope it does. Should though. Damn, that is smooth. Woo! Let's try the back. Let's see what's good on the back side. That's even easier. Wow. Obviously because all the weight is, not all, but like a lot of the weight is here in the front. With a big old engine. Guys, that's good. Oh, it's so smooth. Damn. Alright you guys, well I'm super glad to say that these things passed the test. They withstood the weight of the Miata with the V12 and the gearbox in, and it still seems super straight to me, so I think that's a job well done. If you guys want to know how to make these, just kind of look at it for what it is. Pretty much just some angle line and 5 more flat bar made into this, guys. Super simple. It'll only take you a day to make this sort of thing. And these caster wheels is rated for 120 kilograms each. It's probably around about like 250 pounds plus minus. I don't really know the conversion, but it works. I'm gonna try and skate this thing. Jeez, this thing is super slippery, kind of like it's floating, or it's like an ice. Let's give it a try. Not bad. not bad at all. Those of you that aren't following me on Instagram already, go check out my page. It's at that V12 Miata, bruh. Same as my YouTube channel. I do a lot of updates on there, take a lot of cool pictures, and pretty much keep the build up to date as it is. But I like to give you guys some sort of video content so you can check out what I'm doing and maybe you can use some of my stuff.